Whether you're a retailer, global brand, industrial manufacturer, or distributor, if you have siloed processes for gathering, enriching, and publishing your product data, then you're missing out on revenue opportunities and market share in today's competitive environment. Companies turn to Agility to overcome these challenges, to turn their product information into a strategic asset. From data onboarding, enrichment, and approval, to publishing and syndication, Agility promotes collaboration across your team and automates and simplifies your product information management processes. To support user adoption and accelerate time to value, Agility is both intuitive and easy to use. With its innovative, role-based user experience, Agility allows your team to focus specifically on their responsibilities. Agility ensures easy-to-find, trustworthy content and consistency across all your channels and touchpoints. As you expand your product catalog and move into new markets, Agility grows with you. So improve these and get rid of these. Complete our online PIM value assessment and request a discovery call with our experts to learn more.